Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to center align a video in WordPress. Let's begin. First, go to the official WordPress website, click on login, and sign in with continue with Google to open your dashboard. From there, head over here, click on edit site so we can open the editor where you can make layout changes. From there, head over to this section, click on the plus icon, and search for video. And you can now easily click and add this to wherever you want into your page. Make sure to upload the video you want. Once it has been successfully uploaded, I want you to click on this option over here, document overview. Your video block should be automatically selected. If not, just make sure to navigate and find it. Click on options. We need to select grouped. And from here, we can now change items justification. So we can now put this at the center, right, or left. So we're going to focus on the center to make sure it is perfectly aligned. And that's it. You have successfully centered a video in WordPress. I hope you found this video very helpful.